Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to English Practice Corner. I am Mia.
And I'm here to guide you on your journey to speaking English with more confidence, comfort, and ease. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along and repeat after me. Today, we're talking about something simple but incredibly effective: how to practice English every single day, even if you're busy, shy, or living in a place where nobody speaks English. A lot of learners think they must move to an English-speaking country to speak well, but that's not true. You don't need to be in New York or London. You don't need a native speaker beside you. You don't need hours of study every night. What you actually need are small, smart habits. Habits that are easy to repeat. Habits that fit naturally into your day. Habits that slowly help you feel more confident and natural when you communicate in English. Let's begin. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard this word before, maybe not. Shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to improve both listening and speaking at the same time. It's simple. You listen to someone speaking English like me right now, and you repeat what they say immediately. You don't pause. You don't translate. You don't check meanings. You simply echo the sound, the rhythm, the speed, and the tone. Let's try. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. Shadowing helps me improve. Now you repeat. Good. That's the whole idea. At first, it feels strange. But with practice, your brain and mouth start working together in English. Even 5 minutes a day can change your fluency. How to practice English every day. Many learners tell me, Mia, I'm too busy. Mia, I feel nervous when I speak. Mia, I don't know where to start. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to take small steps. Here are 5 simple ways to practice English daily wherever you are. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. Listening daily is the foundation. If you want to speak better, you must listen more, not just once a week, but every day. You can listen to podcasts, English music, YouTube videos, short stories, news for learners. You don't need to understand everything. Even 40–50% is enough. Listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, or exercising. Make English the background sound of your life. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now, use your voice. Listening is passive, speaking is active. Repeat short sentences. I want to get better at English. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. I am improving little by little. Repeat daily. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on being consistent. Tip 3. Think in English. One simple thought at a time. Thinking in English removes translation, which slows you down. Start with short sentences in your mind. It's morning. I'm tired. I need tea. The weather is nice. I see people outside. I'm working. I want a break. Later, whisper them quietly. This builds a natural connection between thoughts and English. Tip 4. Read out loud. Reading silently is good, but reading out loud is powerful. It trains your mouth and brain together. Choose easier texts, dialogues, short stories, children's books, simple news articles. Read slowly, then a little faster, then with expression like acting. This boosts fluency and confidence. Tip 5. Live your daily life in English. To speak English well, you shouldn't just study English. You should live with English. Here's how. 1. Change your phone to English. You'll learn everyday words naturally just by seeing them. Brightness. Update. Airplane mode. Download. This is effortless learning. 2. Write a short diary every day. Only 3 sentences. Today I worked a lot. I was tired. I watched a video in English. This builds simple, natural sentence structure. 3. Record a 1-minute voice message. Talk about your day. No pressure, no audience, just you. This helps you hear mistakes and improve quickly. 4. Join an online English group. WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, HelloTalk, anywhere learners gather. Send short messages or voice notes. Seeing others learn motivates you. 5. Watch short videos and repeat the lines. Reels, TikToks, Shorts. Choose any topic you enjoy. Watch twice, then repeat the sentences, copying the tone and rhythm. Make English a part of your life. English should not be something you do only once a week. It should be something you see, hear, and use every day, even in small ways. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of content in English. Small habits create big improvement. When English becomes part of your daily life, fluency begins naturally, not as homework, but as a lifestyle. See you next time.
Subscribe now to improve your English speaking and learning skills. We are dedicated to helping you achieve English fluency quickly and efficiently.